With a striking new debut, Toyota is breaking the sameness barrier in the mid-size two-row crossover utility vehicle category. The all-new 2021 Venza delivers an intuitive driving experience with smooth acceleration, predictable handling, and low noise, vibration, and harshness, all wrapped in a sophisticated design. The all-new Venza comes equipped exclusively with the second-generation Toyota hybrid system powertrain and advanced electronic on-demand all-wheel drive. Along with comfortable urban and highway performance, Venza is expected to have impressive fuel efficiency, with a preliminary manufacturer estimated 39 miles per gallon combined fuel economy. The 2021 Venza, which will be assembled at the Takaoka Plant and arrives in Toyota dealerships this summer, is built around a version of the Toyota new global architecture K platform that underpins some of the company's sedans and crossovers. As such, Venza delivers the best of both worlds: sedan-like driving comfort and crossover utility vehicle versatility. For customers who seek premium experiences in a vehicle, keeping unwanted noise out is paramount. The 2021 Venza provides a surprisingly quiet cabin experience. Rather than simply aiming at a numbers goal for sound level, Toyota engineers created a calm atmosphere conducive to enjoying easy conversation or hearing music in cleaner detail. The high-strength TNGA-K platform is the first defense against noise intrusion, curbing vibration through the steering, floor and structure. Suspension tuning resists road surface disturbances, tire noise is reduced via strategically placed insulation, and an acoustic glass windshield helps minimize wind noise. That's just the beginning. Sound blocking and absorbing insulation and body sealing material are placed throughout the structure, under the carpeting, and above the headliner. The materials and their placement were optimized to minimize noise in the frequencies that typically interfere with conversation. As one example, the floor silencer pad is one large piece rather than separate segments. As a result, surface coverage reaches about 92%. Holes and gaps between parts are filled in with sound-damping material for greater road noise reduction. Under the hood, sound-absorbing insulation around the engine compartment helps reduce intake noise, helped by the placement of two special resonance chambers that help minimize air intake noise in the 530 Hz and 650 Hz ranges. The 2021 Venza offers ample room for 5 in a highly maneuverable package. A host of tech-focused features are available, including a 12.3-inch touchscreen display with 9 JBL speakers, 7-inch multi-information display, digital rear-view mirror, and 10-inch color head-up display. Other available features include a Stargaze fixed panoramic glass roof, a first ever for Toyota, and heated and ventilated front seats that set the stage for true, graceful grand touring. In addition to exemplary collision protection provided by the TNGA-K platform, the new Venza comes standard with Toyota Safety Sense, a comprehensive suite of active safety systems that includes pre-collision system with daytime light vehicle and pedestrian detection, plus daytime bicycle detection, full speed range dynamic radar cruise control, lane departure alert with steering assist, automatic high beams, lane tracing assist. Road sign assist. Pre-collision system with daytime light vehicle and pedestrian detection, plus daytime bicycle detection, offers automatic braking capability should the driver not react in time in an emergency situation. Blind spot monitor with rear cross traffic alert is standard on all grades, while XLE and limited add front and rear parking assist with automated braking. Venza's Predictive Efficient Drive (PED) uses the navigation system operation to analyze driving habits and memorize road and traffic conditions to help optimize hybrid battery charging. When the driver selects PED, the system learns repeating routes and is designed to predict when and where the vehicle is likely to slow down or stop. Then, through optimum accelerator pedal release timing guidance, it can help reduce energy consumption. PED can help optimize battery charging and discharge ahead of hills or traffic congestion. When approaching a downhill section, for example, the system is designed to apply additional engine braking force to more efficiently charge the hybrid battery after the accelerator pedal is released. The 2021 Venza offers cutting-edge entertainment and connectivity through intuitive and versatile Toyota audio systems. Audio Plus is standard on LE and XLE and includes an 8-inch touchscreen. Premium audio with dynamic navigation and JBL is optional on XLE and standard on Limited, and features a stunning 12.3-inch touchscreen display with controls that can be switched between driver or front passenger operation. In addition to AM or FM radio, Toyota audio systems serve up a full roster of connectivity tech, including Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Amazon Alexa compatibility, Bluetooth wireless technology, and more. Apple CarPlay includes access to Siri, while Android Auto users can access Google Assistant. All Venza grades come with SiriusXM All-Access 3-month trial satellite radio and HD radio along with Toyota Remote Services trial subscriptions. Available dynamic navigation features enhanced 2D landmark display, land guidance display, and freeway exit display. All Venza models will come equipped with Toyota Safety Connect with a 1-year trial subscription. The standard 6-speaker audio with 4-channel amplifier provides clean, powerful sound for all types of music. Fervent music lovers will want the sonically gorgeous JBL premium audio system with 9 speakers, including a rear subwoofer, powered by a 12-channel, 1,200-watt amp, the most powerful system launched in a Toyota to date. It was designed exclusively for Venza, with unique speaker architecture and tuned to the specific cabin space. The Venza doesn't take up a lot of space outside, yet provides generous space inside. Cup holders can accommodate large drink sizes, while the center stack tray can handle the largest iPhone models. Door bottle holders can take 24-ounce bottles. Venza offers 28.8 cubic feet of carrying space behind the second row. The lithium-ion battery pack is small enough to be installed under the rear seats, so it does not take up any cargo or passenger space. The standard tonneau cover can be stored in the storage space beneath the deck board when not in use. The new generation Toyota hybrid system in the Venza combines a high-efficiency 2.5-liter double overhead camshaft, 4-cylinder engine with 3 electric motors in a highly compact system. The gas engine employs variable valve timing intelligence system by electric motor on the intake camshaft and variable valve timing intelligent on the exhaust camshaft. A variable cooling system and a fully variable oil pump further help improve engine efficiency. The proven tech seamlessly delivers 219 total system horsepower and a projected preliminary manufacturer estimated 39 combined miles per gallon. As with all Toyota hybrids, the feeling of everyday acceleration and responsiveness is heightened by the way the electric motor boosts low-speed torque. The hybrid system optimizes the level of electric motor assistance and gas engine RPM without the engine running at high revs. Engine speed is synchronized with vehicle speed, yielding effortless and quiet acceleration. Venza's hybrid system adopts a newly developed lithium-ion battery to enhance performance and size and weight. Selectable normal, eco and sport driving modes let the driver tailor the Venza's performance personality. Sport mode improves and sharpens throttle response, making fuel efficiency more fun. Eco mode changes the throttle and environmental logic to help the driver focus on maximizing mileage from the fuel and battery, while normal mode is ideal for everyday driving. Additionally, EV mode allows electric-only driving at low speeds for short distances. Using a sequential shifting feature, the driver can downshift to increase the regenerative braking in steps, which fosters greater control when driving in hilly areas, for example. As a bonus, the hybrid system enhances ride comfort by finely controlling the drive torque to suppress pitch under acceleration and deceleration. The inherent strength of the Takaoka platform is the extensive use of high-strength steel. This allows front strut and rear multi-link suspension tuning that helps foster handling agility while providing a supple, quiet ride. Venza's handling is bolstered by an electronically controlled brake system featuring active cornering assist, which engages the stability control to reduce understeer in certain cornering situations. The driver feels only the enhanced agility, not the system's operation. The hybrid system uses a differential torque preload function, which enhances acceleration and deceleration controllability when starting off or cornering on normal or slippery roads. The feature also helps enhance steering performance at higher speeds, straight line stability and controllability on rough roads. The 2021 Venza XLE rolls on 18-inch multi-spoke two-tone alloy wheels, while XLE and Limited come standard with 19-inch multi-spoke super chrome finished alloy wheels. The 2021 Venza comes standard with Toyota's electronic on-demand all-wheel drive, a highly efficient system that takes maximum advantage of the hybrid powertrain's benefits. Instead of using a transfer case and driveshaft to the rear wheels, electronic on-demand all-wheel drive employs a separate rear-mounted electric motor to power the rear wheels when needed. It works seamlessly and transparently, preemptively distributing up to 80% of driving force to the rear wheels, which helps suppress front wheel slip during off-the-line starts. The system also enhances cornering agility by helping to reduce understeer. Torque distribution varies with conditions, from 100 to 0 in constant speed driving to 20 to 80 on slippery surfaces. Torque distribution can be indicated on the multi-information display and audio system screen. Venza's top innovation is literally found on top of the vehicle. In a first for Toyota, the 2021 Venza offers an available Stargaze TM fixed panoramic glass roof. The Stargaze TM electrochromic glass technology allows drivers to switch from transparent to frosted modes within 1 second using the on-off button. In the frosted mode, Stargaze TM brightens the interior while reducing direct sunlight, giving the cabin an even more open, airy, and inviting feeling. Visibility-enhancing technology surrounds the driver. The Venza XLE grade features a 4.2-inch color MID, while XLE and Limited grades receive a 7-inch color MID. In either display, a hybrid system indicator shows the driver system output and regeneration status to encourage eco-driving habits. As used on other Toyota hybrid models, the display suggests the optimal acceleration amount for eco-driving and provides a game-like scoring function for the driver. Venza provides exemplary comfort with standard power seats. The power driver's seat features an auto slide away function. During driver entering or exiting, the seat automatically moves to the rearmost position to optimize ingress and egress. When the Venza is started, the seat moves to the last position set by the driver. Venza's seats are not only comfortable but stylish, with unique seat bolster stitching standard on the Limited grade. The Venza's available heated front seats can be adjusted in 3 levels. Ventilated front seats are standard on limited and draw cool air from the air conditioning system into the seat for added comfort. An available 10-inch color head-up display projects vital information at eye level, including speedometer, hybrid system indicator, and second-generation TSS functions. The available digital rearview mirror with HomeLink universal transceiver on the new Toyota Venza helps the driver see what's behind the vehicle. If rear passengers or luggage in the cargo area are blocking the view behind, a flip of a switch on the digital rearview mirror instantly provides the driver with a wide, unobstructed view from a rear camera. The mirror also reduces glare from headlights. To further aid outward visibility, the limited grade comes standard with bird's-eye view camera with perimeter scan, which provides a panoramic overhead view of the vehicle's surroundings. The standard backup camera features projected path and dynamic grid lines, while an available rear camera cleaning system sprays washer fluid to clear away water droplets, mud, snow, and snow-melting road treatments from the lens. A standard hands-free power liftgate can be set to lock automatically upon closing. For additional convenience, XLE and limited grades come standard with a smart key system that works on all 5 doors. The 2021 Venza is equipped with 8 airbags, including side curtain airbags. Toyota's Star Safety System includes enhanced vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, brake assist, anti-lock braking system, and smart stop technology. Set to his dealerships by early September 2020, the 2021 Venza will have a starting manufacturer estimated retail price of $32,470 for LE, $36,000 for XLE, and $39,800 for limited, excluding the delivery, processing and handling fee of $1,175.